Everyone, my name is vadariya dharm. Study in third semester in mechanical engineering in LJ University. Today, I will explain my KOM project, uh, transport mechanism. First of all, what is a KOM? Kinematics of machine is the subject of branch mechanics. Uh, it's explain machines how works and the machines involves different parts and links. Their transport mechanism is used to transport workpiece from one end to another end and without using a main power. Let's first of all see my model working. Here I use MS material to make this whole project. First you can see this whole structure. After that we can see this handle. This handle was helping to rotate this whole things. That handle was connected with this screw, and for the locking this handle I am using the nut. After that, that screw was connected with this bar, and this bar was main bar that helped to rotate these all bars. That second end was connected with these rotating bars. That is the pushing bar that was helped to push material forward, and help to push material forward. For this bar there is I used two more connectors that was helping to this bar for rotating and also support this bar. Let's see working of this model. While making this product, we have first used hand branding to the cut all the parts as per required dimensions. After that, we have created one structure with the help of welding process, and after that, we have created holes on that structure and also all parts with the help of the drilling as per required dimension. After that, we have created internal threading with the help of the taping where we needed. After this all machining process and another process, we have created assembly. We have done our assembly with the help of nut and bolt. This is all about my project transport mechanism.